falling, dreaming, talking in your sleep. I know you want to cry all night.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Ramil. Today we have another wig review. We're reviewing someone new. This wig is from Wiggins. I'm really excited. I've been seeing this brand all over TikTok and Instagram. I'm really excited that they sent me one of their gorgeous body wave wigs. So let's unbox her. Inside the box, it comes with a satin bag. There's also an HD wig cap. There's two that come in here. They also give you a melting band, an edge brush, and there's an awesome little hair tie here. So those are the goodies that come inside of the wig box. This is what the hair looks like. I haven't taken it out of the packaging yet, obviously. But usually when they have this white border like this, that means that the hair is already curled. So yes, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous curls. Like, are you kidding me? They're so juicy, so bouncy, so shiny. There's not a scent to this wig, so that's very nice. This is their 7x5 wear and go glueless wig. So everything has been done for us as far as the lace. So everything for the lace has been done for us. It's been pre-cut, pre-tinted, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and it's been pre-curled. Thank you so much. This is in the length of 24 inches and the density on this wig is 180. There's an adjustable band that comes with the wig, always very helpful. There's also wig combs on each side where the ear is located, and there's also a comb at the very bottom where the nape is. There's also straps here, as you can see, on each side. So tons of security on this wig. This is 100% human hair. And as far as the wig cap, I chose the smallest size that they have. So they do have options on the website. So I chose small. I'm still going to use this adjustable band here. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it. So we got that done. Next, what I want to do is I'm gonna go in with my Ruby Kisses matte powder foundation in the color 13, and I just want to touch up the inside of this wig. This step is optional, but I just feel like for me, I can never skip it because I need the lace just a tad bit darker to blend into my skin. So I just like to get that perimeter nicely coated. I already have my wig cap on. She's locked and loaded. I'm just wearing two wig caps. I don't even have my hair braided. I feel like since I am 3 months post big chop, I can still get away with not necessarily needing a braid down yet. So yeah, let's go ahead and try her on. Now that the wig is on, let's touch up this top part here with more powder.
Soundstripe.
This step is totally optional, you guys, but I like to let my lace melt a little bit. I don't know, something about after you put the powder on, just let it sit for a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do. Put this on here. And also what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my wax stick and hot comb. Since this was sitting in the box, I like to just touch up the top. They did a really good job. So honestly, I don't have to do much, but it never hurts to just do a quick little touch up. On this wig, I feel like it's really just this back part here that needs to get flattened.
Stripe.
You guys, let me show you what this wig looks like on me. I am 5 foot. I haven't combed out the curls yet. So this is what it looks like on me before you comb out the curls. Very pretty, very bouncy. I think I'm just gonna use my fingers to comb them out first. I don't wanna use a brush or comb yet, only fingers. So pretty. Okay, so let's take this band off because yeah, we're not really melting anything. I just wanted it on for a little bit longer. Another thing I'm going to do too, now that I've taken off the wig, I like to touch up the front because I don't necessarily like my wig being combed back. I like mine kind of combed forward, like this. Okay, so this is the final look. So pretty. Such a pretty wig. And look, no shedding. This hair is so gorgeous. It's so luscious. Mind you, this is my first impression of Wiggins Hair. So I like it. I really love how the cap feels. I love that the wig is glueless. And I mean, look, I can, like the wig literally isn't going anywhere. So I love that the security is there. Oops, I was getting on my lip gloss. Yeah, I love that I feel like my wig isn't gonna slide off. I love that the hair is nice and silky. I don't have any complaints. I'm not having any major tangling or shedding. I'm able to run my fingers through it. There's body, silk press vibes, perfect for if you're a beginner entering wigs. As you saw, I really didn't do much. I just touched up the top and I put some powder on the lace, and that was pretty much it. I didn't even braid my hair down, you guys. So yeah, this is a very, very soft, very, very easy to do. Anyone can do it. I mean, come on, they even curled the wig for you. So I know I showed you guys what the wig looks like curled on 5 foot, but let me show you what it looks like once it's brushed out. So yeah, really long, really full. Just look at the body. So pretty. So Wiggins, thank you so much for sending me this gorgeous wig. Guys, I will have everything about this wig linked in the description box. I'll also have it linked in my bio. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.